Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a brand new 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC. This comes in a really striking maroon finish with a black interior. Chock full of features. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and S580 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk with brand new mats here inside. We have heated and ventilated memory seats throughout the vehicle, as well as the premium Burmester sound system. Got our rear seats back here, and a quick look up towards the front of the vehicle. Heated and ventilated seats up front as well. The driver's seat controls, driver door controls, and the driver's seat. Steering wheel. And mileage on this vehicle is currently at 15 miles. Brand new. And we do have a push button ignition. And this S-Class is equipped with the very large touchscreen here. You can control all your functionality. Climate controls, navigation, radio system, full works, all controlled from this touchscreen. Of course, you got all of your seat controls here, steering wheel heating, seat heating, ambient lighting. There you go, fully customizable throughout the vehicle, either a single color or a number of different configurations. Full of features here. Well, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.